Category 1, or Cat1, is the oldest communication cable and was designed only for voice telephone signals. It usually contains just one pair of copper wires and supports very low frequencies. This was fine for phone calls, but once computers needed faster internet, Cat1 couldn't keep up. It can barely handle data and isn't recognized in modern networking standards, since official categories start from Cat3 and above. Today, Cat1 is considered completely outdated. If you find it in old buildings, it's not suitable for internet use. For real network performance, you should upgrade to at least Cat5e or Cat6. Category 2, or Cat2, was an upgrade from basic telephone wiring and could carry both voice and very early data signals. It usually came with 4 twisted pairs of copper wires, which helped reduce interference at the time. Cat2 was mainly used in old networking systems like ArcNet and 4 megabit token ring, and it only supports speeds up to about 4 megabits at 4 megahertz, far too slow for modern internet. It was never officially approved by networking standards like the TIA-EIA, so it wasn't designed for real Ethernet use. Today, Cat2 is completely outdated and shouldn't be used for internet connections. Modern networks start at Cat5e or higher for reliable speed and performance. In short, Cat2 was a small upgrade in the past, but it's not useful anymore. Category 3, or Cat3, was used in the early 1990s for telephone lines and the first slow computer networks. It supports speeds up to 10 megabits per second with a 16 megahertz frequency, and it was the first cable officially standardized for basic Ethernet. Inside Cat3, you'll find twisted pairs of copper wires. These twists help reduce electrical noise and interference. If wires are not twisted, called untwisted, signals can leak or get mixed, causing slow or unstable connections. So twisting was a simple but smart improvement. Cat3 can run up to 100 meters, a distance limit that future Ethernet cables still use. Today, it's outdated for modern internet speeds and is mostly found in older buildings for voice systems or simple security devices. In short, Cat3 was great in its time, but it's far too slow for modern networking and should be replaced with Cat5e or better. Category 4, or Cat4, was an old twisted pair cable used in early computer networks. It supported speeds up to 16 megabits at 20 megahertz, which was good enough for older systems like Token Ring and some basic Ethernet setups. Like the cables before it, Cat4 used 4 twisted pairs of copper wires to help reduce interference. However, Cat4 quickly became outdated once faster networking standards arrived. It's no longer recognized by modern cabling specifications and can't meet today's speed requirements, where 1 gigabit is considered normal. In simple terms, Cat4 was useful decades ago, but it has no place in modern networking today. Category 5, or Cat5, is an older type of twisted pair Ethernet cable that was once popular in home and office networks. It supports network speeds up to 100 megabits at 100 megahertz, which was considered fast at the time. Cat5 uses 4 twisted pairs of copper wires to help reduce interference and usually ends with the common RJ45 connector. Cat5 cables were used to connect things like computers, routers, game consoles, and IP cameras. They can also provide power over Ethernet if properly rated. The maximum recommended cable length is 100 meters to avoid signal loss.